Hi everybody, Regina here, and welcome to my fitness channel. Greatly appreciate the fact that you took time to be here today. Greatly appreciate it. So, we're going to do a plank exercise. Now, a plank is a full body exercise. It strengthens the arms, the legs, works those core muscles which wrap around the spine. And they start from the ribs, working their way down to the hips. And it helps prevent back pain or minimize the back pain that you may have. To get started, there are two different ways you can do the plank. We're just going to do one way today, and it looks something like this. You take your arms, you bring them shoulder width apart, you make sure your shoulders and your wrists are in a straight line. You're going to curl your toes, legs are hip distance apart, and you're just going to hold that position. Your head is looking down. Your goal is to get to at least 30 seconds. Eventually, 1 minute, maybe even longer. Now, as you do this pose, you're going to feel a lot of quaking. That's the stabilizer muscles kicking in. Don't worry about them too tough. You just focus on the goal. You're just holding it for as long as you can. Again, make sure the shoulders and the wrists are aligned. You curl those toes, the legs are straight, the head is looking down. Don't let the head drop. Don't let that torso sag. One straight line, strengthening those core muscles. And as I mentioned, you will feel quaking. You just ignore that and you hold steady. Pick a focal point and just relax. When you're ready, carefully bring your knees down. Come back, resting on your calves. Rotate those wrists. Do some shoulder rolls, front and back. And then you're done. So try to do that every day, either in the morning and at night, or whatever time works for you. The main thing is get a plank in, 30 seconds to a minute to possibly 2 minutes. Whatever works for you is whatever works for you. But it's a good strengthening exercise to implement every day or every other day. I hope that helps.